It is important to have a properly sized shank while setting up your new weight distribution system. To determine which shank is best for your truck and trailer combination, start by parking the trailer on level ground. Move to the front of the trailer and measure the distance from the ground to the top of the trailer's coupler. With the tape measure held in place, take the head from the weight distribution system and position it until the top of its ball sits 1 inch higher than the top of the trailer's coupler. Next, measure from the ground to the top of the vehicle's receiver opening. If the height of the weight distribution head's top mounting hole is higher than the receiver, you will be using the shank in the rise position. If the height of the head's top mounting hole is lower than the receiver, you will be using the shank in the drop position. If it is determined that you will be using the shank in the rise position, the difference between the height of the head's top mounting hole and the top of the receiver opening will determine the amount of rise you will need. If the shank will be used in the drop position, the difference between the height of the head's bottom mounting hole and the top of the receiver opening will determine the amount of drop you will need. Using these measurements, ensure that when choosing a shank, the weight distribution head can be secured using both its required mounting bolts. Once you've determined the appropriate rise or drop for your truck and trailer configuration and selected your shank, refer to the installation instructions for your weight distribution system to complete your setup. For more information on REESE weight distribution and sway control systems, visit REESEproducts.com.